Hello, this is Paul from AMD Automotive at Caringbah. Today I was going to show you the progress of this BMW X6. It came in with a rattle noise on this side here. So I put everything back together. But before I put everything back together 100%, I actually had to clean that DBF filter there last week. It was a bit of a pain to get to, but better to do it now than if they fail. So I'll clean the DBF filter on Friday and Saturday, because I had other things to do as well. Really hard to get to, but it's easier to do it now while it's apart before I put it back together. I even took the actual EGR cooler out. EGR cooler. So which is that one there. If you look inside there, see how dirty that is. Especially inside here, they get really dirty in there. Here it's not that bad, but inside the little fins, they get dirty as well. So I've done all that. I've got to clean the intake manifold as well, this side here. Clean that and then clean these pipes here as well. I'm just doing this extra stuff here now to get it done, because otherwise you get it and you get a problem in the future. So while things is apart, while they're like that, while they're apart now, I might as well clean everything properly before I put it back together. So it's 2 in 1 hit. Alright, that's the turbo I changed, this one here. If you see it, see, that's the noise, really noisy from here. So from here as well. But the BMW has already done the top turbo, that's why I didn't touch the top turbo. I just done the bottom one. So hopefully I can finish putting everything back together and start it up and then, check everything properly. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.